C5 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. If you're looking for a Corvette that won't break the bank, a lot of bang for the buck, fun to drive, kind of get into the Corvette or classic car hobby, definitely check this one out. 1998 model year. Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, of course, with a removable target top. This one has the painted to match. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Actual miles in this car, just a little over 43,000 is all. And it'll have the LS1 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Automatic transmission with overdrive, so 4L60E. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the paint on the front fascia. This would be considered torch red, black interior. Yes, paint looks as good in person as it does in the pictures. Speaking of pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video if you're watching on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. Be underside pics, interior pics, cargo area, top in, top out. Check them out. You can also call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on a little later model chrome Corvette wheel, Michelin radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. The thing about these cars, they're driven sparingly, typically well taken care of mature owners because they're not cheap new. Think what this would have been back in 1998. So a lot of bang for the buck. There you go, black interior. And this is one of those that has floor mats over the carpet. So obviously well taken care of car. Sorry about the noise in the background. I got the lift going up so we can get some underside pictures of a car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This one does have aftermarket exhaust on it. Sounds good. It's a Borla axle-back system. Also has a cold air intake, which we're going to notice when we open up the hood. Right here, you're going to notice there's a backup camera, so it does have an aftermarket stereo installed in it. Very nice upgrades on this car. If you look at the rear glass, also has tinted windows. So check out the still pictures. Know your local and state laws when it comes to percentage of window tint that you can have. And some extras that are going to come with it. It has the privacy cover for in the back when the, I should say in that back window. So somebody looking through it won't be able to see through it for any cargo that's in the back. These are the pucks for when you're lifting it, hoist, scissors hoist, also the cargo net, car cover, and then the cover actually for the removable target top. So those are going to go with it. We'll put all those accessories in the car. This car is ready to go, folks. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out the still pictures. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like the C5s or you're just into Corvettes, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here, from Gen 1s all the way up to the new mid-engines. All right, as you can see, driver's side not full of nicks, dings, scratches. It's what you'd expect with a car with just a little over 40,000 is all. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. And you're going to get your modern amenities that you'll have on a later model car too, with your power windows, mirrors, power locks, Bose stereo system, power seat over here on the driver's side, condition of the seat, leather, not bad at all. You're going to have a little bit of wear in the bolster from going in and out. And of course, the leather being a natural hide, it will get its natural wrinkles and wear some. It's expected. Tilt column, of course, cruise control, driver's information center. There you can see the aftermarket stereo install. Tastefully done. Kenwood system. Electronic dual climate control. These cup holders are added. Always handy on this car since you only have the one up here. You'd also have XM capabilities with the antennas being right on the dash. How about exact miles? 43,728. Dash looks good. Let's check the stereo out once. Stereo working. Backup camera working. Could be adjusted a little bit there. but backup camera working. We go into reverse. No idea what it's like back there. Of course, that is your target top. And that sits in there nice and tight, right down the road with it there. Need to pull it out and put it in, not a problem. Listen to this. Nothing crazy over the top. It's a nice sounding old deep exhaust note. All right, something we like to check. How about the headlights? No gears grinding or clicking. Hood liner nice and clean. This car hasn't been driven in inclement weather. It's pretty obvious. It's a clean car for a 98. Mentioned cold air intake. It's a little different filter up here. There it is, a 5.7 liter, 350 cubic inch LS1. Excellent power plant. No surprises on this one, folks. Like I said, looking at getting into the Corvette hobby, or want a sports car, or just a classic car, something fun to drive, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or just drive. A lot of bang for the buck. 1998 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Clean Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1998 Chevrolet Corvette in bright red. This does have a removable roof. The roof is in today. This is an automatic, which makes it super easy to drive. And that's what it sounds like when you put your foot down. Nice tone out of the back end of this car. Sounds aggressive in a good way. The temperature gauge is reading 195. The oil pressure is 45. Speedo and tachometer working as they should. The battery's charging at 14 volts, and the fuel gauge reads almost 3/4 of a tank. That's all looking good. We have a Kenwood stereo. Nice sounding touchscreen 10-wood stereo in the dash. Leather bucket seats, as of course a Corvette would have, in black. Very comfortable. Power brakes working excellent. This is a well-maintained Corvette and only showing less than 45,000 miles. You would expect it to be fairly nice, and it is. Corners very well. Of course, the Corvette barely leans at all in the corners. It is tuned for performance. Bose speakers in the door. What more can you ask for? A bright red Corvette that feels like new. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.